Hey, I'm Nathan, and we have a call for submissions for
Yes.
talks and presentations at AWE2023, and I'm here with Sonya Haskins to learn all about it. Sonya, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. Let's chat. This is great.
So, I know you take programming for AWE very seriously. Can you tell us a little bit about your approach to programming this XR event series?
My goal is to have an event that appeals to the broadest range of people involved with the XR community. That would be augmented reality and virtual reality and related fields. So you also have like Web3, artificial intelligence. I try to find speakers that can expertly speak on topics related to those fields. At the same time, it's also important to have a diverse and an inclusive program. So that would involve speakers who are normally underrepresented at these types of events. We want to make sure that people understand we care about having that diversity there.
So, if we're announcing this call for submissions, can you maybe dive in a little bit about what kinds of topics, sessions, and proposals you're looking for?
So again, we're looking for anything related to augmented reality, extended reality, virtual reality, Web3, artificial intelligence. We have sessions and programs geared towards startups in those fields, thing that is pushing the cutting edge boundaries of immersive tech or immersive reality experiences. That could be a piece of hardware, it could be an application, it could be some sort of idea or concept or rule that they're trying to get implemented with the government. So that's really what I'm looking for in submissions. I want to find not the same things we've discussed in the past. We're also looking at very, very specific current use cases, like with end users. How are they using this tech now? So there are a lot of different areas we're looking at.
It sounds like you've got something for every person and a role in the metaverse. Speaking to that, I know that there's a lot of expertise that shows up on stage at our events. Who should apply?
It's a great question. Basically, anyone who's interested in speaking or feels like they have something to contribute to the community and to the field of XR should apply. I will give you a few tips on what we're more likely to accept, the types of talks. We're looking for experts, the top in these fields, C-level executives and speakers and founders or other speakers who have been greatly involved that can give a great deal of expertise and share that information with others. If you do a panel, have diversity. It should be at the very least have gender parity at the very least. And then panels or talks where you can invite underrepresented speakers, speakers of underrepresented racial groups or women, for example. Those are great opportunities to invite those people in. Let me say also, if you are a business owner or someone who would like to speak and you don't really know how to, you can also reach out to us. Email me and let me know, hey, I really want to talk on this topic, but I would like to invite a certain other person to share the stage with me. Let us know that, and we'll try to match you up with someone, or we can maybe put you on a panel or put you in a fireside chat with a female moderator who's an expert in that field. There are lots of things we'll do to work with you. We're happy to do that. Just let us know because we want absolutely the best program possible.
I love that. Really a place for everyone, whether it's a specific talk, a panel, a fireside chat, a larger discussion on some of those big
Yeah.
issues. That's so great. You mentioned, right, if people have questions, they can contact you and make submissions on the form. Do you have any final thoughts before I let you go today?
Yes, thanks. I'll give one final suggestion here. Remember that when you send in talks to the webpage under the Submit a Talk tab, that we are looking for talks that will in some way benefit the audience. The talk should be for your audience. They need to inform, educate, or inspire. If you can send me a talk that does that, then it's a whole lot more likely to be accepted, because our goal is to create sessions that will make the audience leave there and say, wow, I got so much out of that session. So for you as a business owner, it works to your benefit to make your talk memorable without selling. Anybody can go look at YouTube or TV commercials if they want to buy something. You don't want that. You want them to remember your message, and then they'll remember to come back to you later.
I call that dessert first. You got to give your customer something to
Yeah.
believe in before you expect them to join you on a journey. Thank you so much, Sonya.
Hey, that was great.